Yo, we just left the gym. I almost died, almost threw up. Never working out with him again. I gotta do baby stuff, get on tricycles and stuff.
Man, he did the warm up. The warm up.
But I don't work out ever, man. But anyway, about to be a sick video. So we were supposed to work out, but I started dying. So you know what? I'm gonna just do a freaking cinematic sequence. But it's dope. Anyway.
I think the spot over here, according
to
it's
food over here?
GPS.
I don't know where we're going. We ain't know them. Getting some food. But yeah, made some connects at the gym. Your boy getting into the fitness world, shooting fitness videos. Check out the other workout video at Retro Fitness. If you haven't seen that already, that's sick. Get the view count up. We're trying to get rich out here. Yeah, this is a dope spot. We can actually shoot a movie over there.
Hell yeah.
That's sick. Oh yeah, I like this. What y'all think about this? Probably will get flagged anyway. But yeah. Listen, all I do is create and I don't work out. Yeah, you should work out or not. This is a mistake. I'm dying. Oh God. Yeah, I'm dying. Need to be more healthy. Whew. Oh God.
Man.
Jones got us on a wild goose chase. One restaurant was closed till further notice. Now we're going to Cobblefish. Nope, $4. You can probably park right there on the
Yeah.
They shouldn't say anything.
Oh, they shouldn't, because that's not the lot.
Nope. It's on the
What's
street.
this got numbers though on it?
Could be, I don't know. How long do you think it's gonna be?
Not long. What is down here? I want to shoot down there. Oh shit.
Yeah, I realized I didn't do an outro when I was out, but yeah, the video is done. About to show it in a little bit. So yeah, like and subscribe if you have any advice for, you know, somebody who don't work out and want to be healthier. I would definitely love to learn from you guys. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, whatever you want to do, leave a comment. Let's get it.
What does it mean to live on edge? To take one more step, to get back up, to keep pushing. Are you willing to make the sacrifice? To live on edge is to live without limits, being able to believe in you and your vision. You are in control of your life. You choose where you'll go next, but are you willing to jump? Is your brand on edge? Does your brand stand out? Defy gravity. Jump. Live on edge.